the end of the year, the holidays are around the corner, and this means two things. First of all, we have made new Nürburgring sweaters, the traditional ones and also very exclusive merino wool ones. Go to nürburgring.com, enter Misha Christmas 25 code to get additional 10% discounts on all the products, the sweaters, the books, the socks. What else do we have? Some more will be added actually soon. We're going to be having calendars. But for that, subscribe, stay tuned, and most importantly, enjoy the content. Come.
Why?
Why? Because go outside and have a look what's there. It's a bit dark on camera, but...
Oh! Sick.
Full carbon, bro.
I've seen it in the old work so much.
Yeah, we done last year a lap with it, but now it's a bit updated. Anyway, while Gio is admiring and getting inspiration for his E36 build, welcome back. Good seeing you again. So, yeah, hi there as well. Yeah, this car was one of the most unique cars ever, not only from last year, because as you can see, it is all carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, and also here. Yeah, everything. So maximum lightweight, but also aero mods have been taken into consideration. So you can see very big integrated front splitter, as well as full flat floor and also massive diffuser. At least it was the case last year. Yep, here we go. There we are. Fantastic. And it is on plates. Yeah, I mean, because not German car, so I mean, it's everything's legal. So you can basically put pierogi on plates probably in Poland as well. So that will work too. Anyway, aside from the exterior, first of all, a reminder: what's the rough weight of it?
Rough weight is 1180 now, without fuel.
Without fuel, 1180. There is some extra weight added because it has a new gearbox.
Yes.
So I guess it's a bit heavier than the...
We have additional about 30 kilos. Only.
Yes.
So
I think it's negligible.
Yes.
So, and this is the biggest upgrade. Oh, I love the side pipe. This is the biggest upgrade over last year, aside from the flat floor. It has a ZF Auto 8-speed. So now you can actually focus on pedal shifting. Yeah. Big screen as well. We have also ECU master screen here, but what I want to say, last year it didn't have the speedometer. This year it has the new screen with GPS speedometer. GPS is not working. So we're gonna try to run some GPS speed off our phone, screen recording. So this may or may not work. If it does, fantastic, happy days. If it isn't, you just need to guesstimate the speeds we will be doing. Anyway, we are also on Dunlop Direzza tires, extremely grippy. And on the front, my all-time favorite brake caliper system, AP Racing Pro 5000Rs. And what pads are we running?
Ferodo 1.11.
Okay, put Ferodo 111. Let's have a look under the bonnet actually while we're here to show the beautiful engine. Yeah, it needs to be a 2-people removal because it's a whole operation. Big air intake on the front. Stock car for comparison. Ah, wow. You can definitely eat the bird with this mighty S54. Beautiful. So power-wise, you're like 400-ish or below?
360.
360. Nice and modest. Nice and modest. Right. I guess let's put our cameras in. Let's hop in and have some fun and go for a lap. Yeah. Inspiration enough? Oh yeah. We are now 20, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20. Okay, let's go. back. Hopefully the like screen recording syncing has worked. I made a big mistake by not taking my earplugs with me, because my left ear got very deaf from the noise the car is making, which is of course good, but also not good. Probably in 20-30 years I'll be mad at myself. Regardless, after driving it last year, what can I say? I have slight feeling that the car is losing somewhat torque in the transmission, because ZF Auto is a torque converter. It didn't feel to pull as much as it used to do, maybe, or definitely not as much as a S54 I'm used from, but could also be a drag effect, of course, of the massive aero that we have here, because everything is one piece of aero. This was my first and the only lap, like I always do. I'm sure second lap would have been 30 seconds faster, because sections that you drive and I was just like lifting on the assumption that it would go well, you could take them flat, and where I was braking slightly, you could still take them flat, because the car is really functional when it comes to aerodynamics, and of course very light. The tiny bit of scraping that it did, we felt completely in the chassis. I was feeling in my butt, so it was scraping in the center. This means that the overall balance is actually also nice. It's not scraping anywhere in the wheel arches like you would usually used to. It was literally the bottom middle point, which says something about the setup, in my opinion. Yeah, I think that's kind of it. I forgot my gloves. By forgot, I think I forgot them in the previous car I drove, because I could not find them. So therefore, yeah, first lap in many hundreds of laps that I actually drove without gloves. But I don't know, that didn't make me go slower, I think, I hope. Anyway, thank you so much for this experience. Hope it was okay. Thank you for joining, kind of on the background. Initial idea was for us to drive track day tomorrow, but I have to fly to UK to film the Golf that you have probably have seen by now. Fantastic. So very happy we could even do TF, because you know, license plates, the wing is within the silhouette of the car, so totally legal, right?